Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will walk you through an essential feature of restricting the modification of item codes to ensure data consistency and prevent unauthorized changes. So, let's get started. Go to Setup Items Multiple Pack Sizes. Here you will find the configuration of the setup item. Click to open the configuration. Let us now enable this option. Do not allow modification of the item code. After that, let's try to modify the item code of a previously created item. Here, you can observe the software blocked the item code field. So this is how restricting item code features helps maintain the integrity of your item data and prevent accidental or unauthorized changes.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.